Precision machining. Machining precision is unusualness. Difference of size, whether it's with direction or not. No. Is size of pitch normal? Yes. Is the difference between X, Y normal? No. Difference between X, Y is large. Inspection 1. X, Y cut are different. 1. If diamond guide worn out, to check it with microscope or magnifier. It should be replaced if more than 5 mm oval or broken edge are found. 2. Wire contact curve is too deep on carbide plate. 3. Is wire tension not enough? Refer to working condition table. 4. Is proper nozzle distance? Keep nozzle distance between workpiece and the upper-lower nozzles around 0.2 mm. When activate flushing, upper nozzle will lower down slightly and lower nozzle will flow up a little. 5. Is the dielectric pressure too high under a closed nozzle distance? There will have interference noise between workpiece and the nozzles, mostly enclosed with a bad cutting accuracy, bad positioning accuracy and the nozzle easy worn out. 6. Is the proper machining speed? Shall refer to the enclosed working condition list. 7. Is there any possible wire pipes interference to workpiece or table? Jog table to 4 corners in travels and check the possible wire pipes as ground wire, upper flushing nylon pipe, electric power cables, and all the others located nearby. 8. Does carbide plate hide wear? When wear oval exceeds the wire radius, will vibrate or damage the passing wire. Cutting accuracy will become worse, wire tension change or easy wire break. 9. Is it well installed on workpiece, especially with a thin job? 10. Is wire guide well fixed? 11. In torquing zinc-coated wire, is there much metal power attached? 12. Does wire vibrate in traveling? There are a few possible reasons as too close contact in carbide plate, wire deformed, bad quality diamond guide, bad lubricating, or loosen in wire conduct wheel, etc. 13. Is the deformed workpiece? P.S. How to adjust the upper-lower nozzle distance? 1. The upper nozzle distance. If the workpiece is flat, try to descend Z-axis carefully to get close with the workpiece, but don't crush it. Use thickness gauge to help you. After positioning well, the standard distance is around 0.2 mm. Use Z-lock function to avoid crush accident. 2. The lower nozzle distance. Refer to the attached drawing. Loosen 2 fixture screws first. Use thickness gauge to help you find out the standard distance between workpiece and the lower nozzle, and screw it well. 3. Too large differential may cause bad cutting speed and bad cutting accuracy. Is size of pitch normal? Is the difference between X, Y normal? Yes. Is size of pitch normal? Yes. Is the precision of shape normal? No. Some pitch size are unusual. Yes. Inspection 1. No. Inspection 2. Abnormal pitch error in actual cut. The machine body is assembled by air-conditioned environment around 21 degrees Celsius plus or minus 1 degree and to offset pitch error. Therefore, environment will affect the pitch precision if temperature is over or above range. The possible temperature deformation effect to straight measure. Temperature change. Straightness. Deformation. 10 degrees Celsius, 100 mm, minus 10 to minus 20 mm. 15 degrees Celsius, 100 mm, minus 5 to minus 15 mm. 25 degrees Celsius, 100 mm, plus 5 to minus 15 mm. 30 degrees Celsius, 100 mm, minus 10 to minus 20 mm. During positioning inspection, please consider the factor of temperature deformation and keep machine under 21 degrees Celsius plus or minus 1 degree, environment 24 hours. If still cannot eject the issue, call your local authorized agent. Is the precision of shape normal? Yes. Abnormal formula. Is the precision of shape normal? No. Some sizes are unusual? Yes. Inspection 1. Please refer to Inspection 1. Inspection 2. Please refer to Inspection 2. Abnormal formula. Some sizes are unusual? No. Program and offsetting value are normal? No. Revision. Program and offsetting value are normal? Yes. Inspection 1. Please refer to Inspection 1. Inspection 2. Please refer to Inspection 2. Abnormal formula. No. Inspection 3. 1. Is the cutting speed slow? When are low values of AN and AN? Almost short condition may cause figure 2 shape. 2. Is the dielectric flushing is not enough? Refer to Inspection 1, Article 4. 3. Confirm WF is too slow. Compare with the reachable max cutting speed. If the sparking energy is sufficient to reach a higher speed but state remain due to the presence of a low WF value, wire will be worn out fast and a lap make workpiece taper shape, the figure 3. 4. The deep contact phase on carbide plate may cause gradual slant to another side. Workpiece will like figure 3. 5. CHMER straightness standard. Under medium cutting speed to cut down a thickness 50 mm, 10 mm square tool steel piece, the maximum differential value of side-to-side clamp measuring any point along with 50 mm by micrometer shall not more than 1.5 mm. Abnormal formula. Yes. Leg to corner cut is very different. No. Adjust exchange upper flushing nozzle. Leg to corner cut is very different. Yes. Normal.